Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing video, and I'm going to be doing it with my sister Mary. As you can see, this is huge, humongous. So let's start unboxing. This doll is just not cooperating with me. I need to put her head back on. What did you do? Wait. Cameraman. I need your help.
Cameraman, I need help. Thanks. Thanks, cameraman. And this is the
Why don't you take this off? 'Cause I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't. Scissors. Master cleaning up area. Oh, what about the cake? Wait. Oh, yeah. Oh. Can you throw the chocolate in my... And these are our other two dolls. Their hair's kind of electric. This one's like teal at the top. And these are metal dolls. And this one's like a half and half. And then like car kind of sunset. And this one's like a magnet. Oh.
I'm just gonna go with the dog.
Now we're gonna open this huge humongous cake. Hey! Look, pass those ones to sister. The ones back there. Yeah. The ones in the back. Switch them.
Oh, it is right inside the cage. Okay, so we finished unboxing everything, and we have 4 LOL dolls. We have this one, this one, this one, and this one. And we're just gonna name them random names.
Yeah.
So this one's gonna be. What's her name? Okay, we're just gonna skip that one.
Sunny!
This one's gonna be Sunny. And
Sunset!
no. And this one's gonna be actually fine. And this one's Sunset. And this one is
Blueberry.
Blueberry. And this one is
Strawberry.
Strawberry Shortcake. Okay, so we have names for all of them. And now let's start opening these thingamabobs.
We need the tray.
Okay, get the tray.
We need
Let's
the
start opening.
tray. So we're getting the tray, guys. And my little sister, my big sister's gonna open them, and I'm gonna be watching her.
Okay, let's just roll up the sleeves.
I know.
Let's take out our
Film.
and let's find the surprise.
Yeah. Let's
Okay, so got the surprise. Here, you can hold that.
Oh, I have a care of it. Oh, it's not sticking onto me.
Okay, shush.
Not sticking on me to me, guys.
Okay, and we have. Ooh, it's like a headband, tiara,
I wanna
thingamabobby.
put it on the doll.
Put it on this one. Okay. So can we help you?
Can you help me? It's fine, just not right now. And I'm gonna put them in the, yeah. Oh, and there's sand. Oh, there are directions for it. Sand, water, water.
I want to die. Yeah, it's a bag, but it's like shimmery. It's pretty though. Yeah. Wait, I wanna see. Please stop. I wanna see. Go see. Yeah, okay, you can see over there. Okay. Oh, that's cute. And now we have a pink heart foam. Can I mix them? Sure, I don't care. It's hard. Look at it, it's blue and purple and little cake. And I found, here's the cake. And I found the surprise. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a weird shape. It's yellow. Oh, it's shoes. Wait. Oh, I remember those. But they're like high tops.
Yeah. Wait.
I need to put on this off. Wait, they match the bag that we got earlier. And then I get some. Careful. Is it up to the top?
No. Then why are you walking careful? Because there's water in it. We have to smash it.
Oh.
No, I don't want to smash it.
Yeah, me either. Wait, move this. My presents. Film.
It's like goopy.
Yeah, it's goopy.
It's like Jello or something.
Ow!
The surprise. Why do they even make this?
I don't know.
It's so tiny.
Ew.
What is it?
They're shoes, but I need to open them. Okay. These shoes were in this gooey thing. It looks like a big bubblegum thingamabob. Oh, this is new. It's like, it's sushi.
It's juicy, guys.
It's so cute. I'm gonna open another goopy thing.
Okay.
But this time it's like a blue metallic thing.
to the camera.
Okay, we got some like pink boots. They're so cute.
Wonderful.
I love it. It's so soft. If you guys were here, you would know how I feel right now. I'm literally gonna die.
Yeah, you're not gonna die. Cause it was gum.
Here.
You.
Look like that.
Ew. Wait, is it sand?
It's like,
Oh, it's
Clay.
slime.
no, it's not slime. It's like clay, but sand.
Oh, it gets stick together. What is
This
this?
is so cute.
Can
It's
I
like-
see?
It's a golden phone.
Can I see? I want to see. Oh, the golden one. Can I see the golden one?
You could go see it.
I want to see.
So cute. And this one's like, you know that yellow one I just showed you? This is the same thing, but it's pink.
Oh, I want to mix it together.
Okay,
Let's
wait.
get it applied now.
Yeah. Look at this one. It's like this
Get
one's
it
like
applied
a
now.
pearl. Look, it's you.
Over here.
I'm trying to take it out.
Oh,
It's not sticky.
because it is.
Here.
Oh, it's like a pink sunset and a little sunset, guys.
This is cute. It's like,
Wait, can I see?
wait, I'm trying to hold it. It's not.
It's
Watch out. It's like a cotton candy.
Can I see?
Go over here and see.
Here. Over here. Okay, guys.
Hey guys.
So this is everything that came in the LOL surprise box, and we're gonna get them dressed in a snap. And this is how they look now. And this is all the extra stuff right here that we did not use, but we'll put it on them next time. And this is how they all look. This one, like, and she has this bag too. And then this one, she also has a bag. And this one, and she also has a cup. Okay, and that's the end of